Hello and welcome to part 2 of using Excel to prepare your contact list for a mailing campaign. In this section we're going to go over 3 fields: how to get your mailing label name, how to get your salutation, how to get your mailing city, state, and zip cells created. Okay, so let's jump right in to the instructions. Creating a mailing label. First thing you want to do is select cell C2. Okay. Then you want to copy and paste this formula right into the formula bar. Let's go back to the formula bar here. Okay, now you want to copy that cell C2 and paste it into C3 through C10. There you go. Okay, now I will provide you with a brief explanation on what in the world did you just do. Okay, let's take a look at this. LEN. LEN is a function in Excel that is used to give you the number of characters within a cell. So we're looking at the secondary name here, and we're looking for cells that have more than 2 characters. Okay, so what I'm doing here, let's start right at the beginning. E2 is your primary name. So the first thing I do is I put E2 into the cell. Then after that, I'm going to check a condition using this if clause, this if function. So if basically works like this. It's a condition checker. You provided a condition, and if the condition is true, you provide it with an action, and if the condition is false, you provide it with an action. So basically, it's if, condition, true action, false action. So what we're doing specifically in our example is if my secondary name has more than 2 characters, if the cell of my secondary name has more than 2 characters, let's tack it on. And if it doesn't, what we do right here is we tack on what we call empty quotes, which is quotation marks, back-to-back quotation marks. Okay, so let's proceed now to the next field, the next cell, which is salutation. Okay, creating the salutation. First thing you want to do is go to cell B2. Okay, then you want to copy this formula into the formula bar. Go to the bar, copy the formula, and you want to copy that cell B2 and paste it into B3 through B10. Okay, this is basically the same thing except we've added a little more in the front. We added our greeting of dear, and we're looking at different cells. We're not looking at primary and secondary name. We're looking at the first name of the primary as well as the first name of the second owner. And that is how we came up with this formula. Those are the parts. Okay, let's proceed on to the last and final field, which is creating the mailing city, state, and zip field. Select cell A2. Okay, done. Now, follow these instructions. Copy and paste. Okay. These fields, K2, L2, and M2, they are pretty much just your city, state, and zip. That's what they are. They're basically just your city, state, and zip. They're located here on your spreadsheet. You can have a look at them. Okay. So you want to copy cell A2 and paste it to A3 through A10. And you are done. There you have it, folks. Now this last one, just quickly before I let you all go, this is also the concatenate function. What we're concatenating here is the city followed by a comma, followed by the state, followed by a space, and followed by the zip code. Well, I'd like to thank everyone at this time for watching this video. I hope it was helpful. and I wish you all the success. And last but not least, if you want to check your work, I've included a final copy down here to compare, so go ahead, feel free to download it and see how you did. Thanks again and have a great day.